Hello everyone, hope you all are doing good and welcome to all of you in this new video. Guys, today I'm here to explain you about Ela WorthCom reviews, and in this video I'll help you know whether you should buy from this website or not. Guys, if you have experienced any fraud over this website, then watch this video till end because I'll share the way to get your money back. So stay tuned with us and let's get started. So this is the homepage of this website, guys. It is an online shopping site that deals with multiple products including houseware items, tools, electronics items, sports and outdoor items, garden art products, clothing and accessories, shoes, jewelry and watches, beauty and healthcare products, kids and baby items, pet supplies, etc. So this is the product category list. You can slide this option to know about the product categories, and the prices of these offerings are too good to be true, guys. And their top recommended product is kitchen oil proof stickers, and the cost of this offering is too good to be true, guys, which is affordable. Now talking about the shipping policy of this website, let's check out the shipping policy. So guys, they provide worldwide shipping, but they have not mentioned the exact shipping duration, which is a negative sign. Apart from that, talking about the payment options, so they didn't provide payment information, and they have not mentioned the payment information section at the menu option button, which is a negative sign. But yes, in the FAQ section, they have provided the payment method related question, and they accept all major credit cards including Visa, MasterCard, Amex and PayPal payments. Guys, they do not accept personal checks, money orders, direct bank transfers, debit card payments or cash on delivery. Now, before going further, I request you all to like this video, share it with your friends and subscribe our channel. And let's talk about those important points on which we can judge this site as a scam or legit website. Guys, the site is using a valid HTTPS protocol connection, which is a positive sign. But talking about the domain information of this site, the domain name was created on 18th of February 2021. Yes, guys, this site is a newly launched website which was created only few days ago. And according to our study, we have found that this domain is registered for 1 year only. So this domain age factor is not applicable here to define its legitimacy, and we can't claim this site legit on the basis of this vector only. So talking about the other details, let's check out the about us page to know more about this website. And this is the about us page, but they have provided limited information which is not relevant to the business offering information or business establishment year. So guys, they have not provided info related to business establishment year, business owner name, brand connection info, etc., which is a negative sign. Now coming to the contact details of this website, you need to visit the contact us page, and here they have provided only email address which matches with the domain name, which is a good sign. But guys, they have not mentioned the entire contact details including company's official address and contact number, which is again a red high alert, and this makes the site quite suspicious and makes the site quite confusing. Now guys, talking about the social media presence, so they have not provided a single social media icon on the website, which is again a negative sign, and it simply means that this site has no social media presence at all, which is again a negative sign, and this defines that this site has an unknown trustworthiness score. Now coming to the return policy of this website, guys, you need to visit the return policy page, and here they have mentioned that their policy lasts for 30 days. Guys, do comment about your experience regarding the return or refund of the product. It will give benefit to other customers. And guys, talking about ela.com reviews, so they have not mentioned customer reviews on the website. No reviews are available. Apart from that, we didn't found any customer reviews on internet as well or other platforms as well, which is again a negative sign. And this site seems to be not much popular online, guys, because the trust index score of the site is 2% only, which is really very bad. And this site has too low traffic, or you can say none at all, due to its newly launched factor. So guys, in the final conclusion, we would say this site appears to be suspicious and this website is too new to claim it legitimate. so you should wait for some time, and we do not recommend you to buy anything from this website as it is a very new website. Guys, if you have money related problem, then you can get your money back by checking our links in the description area. Do comment your thought about this video because we read all your comments over every video. So guys, hit the like button, share the video with your friends and subscribe our channel to get more notifications. Thank you for watching this video guys. Have a good day.